This video is going to walk you through how to authenticate and set up a Hubspot integration. So the first thing to do is head over to the integration settings. So I've already opened this up on a separate tab. If you haven't already got an API key, click the button to generate one. And also generate the OAuth credentials, because you're going to need this to actually authenticate and activate your Hubspot integration. So I'm going to leave this on a separate tab just so I have it handy for when I need it. So heading back to the integrations list here, I can already see there's a Hubspot integration that's been set up for me. So your onboarding manager is likely to have done this for you. But if it's not here already, to add a new integration, click the button here. You can also add in the email addresses of account team members who can receive error emails. So that means if there's ever a problem with the integration, then you'll get an email to warn you about that. There also is some other conditional options that you can set up here, but if you want to do this, just ask us about this and we'll talk you through what to do. So jumping over to the integration builder, select template here, and then go with this option on the right-hand side. So that's the lead to contact and note. There are another couple options, but this is the one I would recommend as standard. So once this loads, it will give you all the steps you need to make sure that your leads from Leadoo are going into Hubspot. So they'll both update existing contacts or create new contacts if those don't exist. What you'll need to do is head over to the right here and click on Hubspot v3 and click Authenticate Now, which will then prompt you to log into Hubspot. You may see a warning that pops up just to say it's an unrecognized app, but that's just because you're doing it in this method. But don't worry, it's all fine. Just carry on the setup from there. Once you've logged in, you'll also need to click on this Leadoo v2, Authenticate Now, and that's when you'll need that information from the OAuth credentials in the integration settings. So that's the information that we have in this other tab here. So we'll just ask you to put those in there and you can just simply copy and paste them. Once that's completed, the connection has been set up, and the next step will be actually mapping out all the different fields that you want information to go to in Hubspot. And that's something you'll either do with the integration engineer on our end, with an onboarding manager, or of course, if you've got a technical lead on your side, they can also do that too. Okay, that's everything you need to know about setting up a Hubspot integration. If you do have any questions, just reach out to a team member and we'll be happy to help.